Stop putting up with an annoying iPhone. In the next 60 seconds, let's fix the most common problems, step by step. First, killer battery drain. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap Battery, then Battery Health and Charging. If optimized battery charging is off, turn it on, and remove any random apps hogging power in the battery list. Next, zero storage. Go to Settings, General, then iPhone Storage, and hit Enable next to Apple's cleanup suggestions. Delete huge old videos, offload unused apps, and clear downloads and files. Your storage bar should finally breathe. Still laggy? In Settings, tap General, then Background App Refresh, and switch it to Wi-Fi only or completely off. Overheating next. Swipe down for Control Center and turn off Bluetooth, hotspot, and any power-hungry games running. If it's still hot, remove the case and leave it in the shade for a few minutes. No charging while it's roasting. Drowned in notifications? Go to Settings, Notifications, and switch annoying apps to deliver quietly or turn them off. For instant peace, use Focus. Open Control Center, tap Focus, pick Do Not Disturb, and customize who can reach you. Wi-Fi acting weird? Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the info icon, and hit Forget this network, then reconnect. Lock in these quick fixes now, and your iPhone will feel faster, cooler, and way less annoying. Follow for more simple iPhone wins.